Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is going to be about the crop tool. If you only wanted one of these knives in your picture, but you wanted the rest of the stuff to stay on your screen, you go up to your crop tool and you would crop out this one picture by selecting all and hit enter. Well, if you notice, it took everything away from the screen. And to me, it's kind of irritating sometimes. So what you can do is take everything you want to keep, select them all, go up to range and lock those objects. Now you can go to the crop tool and crop by hitting enter, and everything is still there. And then you can go back and actually unlock all objects and they're still there and usable. This isn't the best case scenario, but if you had the shape of that knife and some other things you're working on. So if you'll lock an object, it will not crop away. And it's basically pretty good because you can't move it and you can't do anything with it. I use it quite a bit, so we're going to lock those objects. You can't do anything to them, and when you do click on them, it's going to give you the lock little symbol that it's locked. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.